Hey guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put this pouch and this water bottle holder and this pouch onto my new K4 EXO Mountain Gear Pack 2200. Let's go do this. Wanted to get out here because tomorrow I want to go out into the woods, but I got my new EXO Mountain Gear K4 frame and bag. I got the 2200 bag right here. We're not going to do a specs thing on this right now. All I want to do on this video, I watched a lot of their tutorials. They have probably one of the best tutorials, or the best tutorials out there when you're buying their gear on how to do stuff. I mean, they go over each bag, how to put on the water bottle holder, how to put on the side pouches. So that's what I'm just going to do here, see how easy it is after watching those videos and see how secure they are on there. But they got these MOLLE cutouts now. The K3 had the belt and Velcro to put on their pouches, which kind of left it a little loose. We're going to see how tough this one is or how sturdy it is when it's on the belt. So I got the K4 2200, like I said. Got the water bottle holder. We're going to take my Yeti cup and put it up here. Also got two pouches. We're going to put those on the sides. And I did get the crib for it. We're not going to do anything with that right now. And I did get the gun sling also with it. You do get inside the package here with the directions, I believe. You get a set of clips, the locking clips. You can put those anywhere you want. I bought some extras. I'll have those in there inside the pouch in case I want to swap out any of the other straps and make those locking straps also. But we're going to go in this video, we're just going to put on the water bottle holder, which goes into this portion right here. I don't know how close I'll get for you guys on this. Like I said, you want a tutorial on how to actually do it and watch it up close, go watch Steve do it on their channel. But I'm just going to do that on here. You'll see how easy it is to put it on there and how secure it is. So let's do this. So I'm going to have it on my right hand side, and we're going to have this MOLLE in right here, MOLLE cutting here. I'm going to put it right on top of the box, and you're going to have your MOLLE loop right here. So going through this, we're going to do the last part first. You're going to take this strap out so you can watch this video. That way, that'll go through the top portion of the holder here. But we're not going to do that part yet. We're going to take this and we're going to go ahead and weave it through here. It's going to sit like this, so you want to make sure you start in the right direction. We're going to go through the first part of the MOLLE cutout and come out the second part. Pull it nice and tight. You'll see that in their video. Then we're going to feed it back through the cup holders, MOLLEs. Like that, nice and solid. Pull it tight. Then we're going to come back through. We're going to go back through the belts, MOLLEs. Like I said, you can watch this on his channel. I'm just showing you how easy it is to do it. I've watched that thing so many times. Now I've got it through there. Pull it tight through. And then watch his video, but this is the key part. Rather than going in this one right here, if you can see that, and going straight this way, you want to go in here and go back up towards the top. So, and there's a little plastic in there. Kind of gives it some rigidity. This one's a little tricky getting that part in there. But there we go. Put my hand on the inside. And you can see how that went right back in there. It's going up towards the top of the container. And then we're just going to take this portion, watch his video, we're going to put it back through the top of this holder, which keeps that end nice and secure. And then we're going to put it back onto our shoulder strap, putting it through the locking clip here. And there we go. And now that is on there securely. You can see that. That is really solid on there. Doesn't move at all. And now we're going to put on the side pouches. Same premise. On the back you've got some mollies here. They've got them tucked in there right now. I'm going to pull them out. And then we're going to thread them through here. Let's see what that takes. Nice thing about these two-way zippers, so you can go either way, front or back. Really cool. So let's put these guys on. I'm going to start on the back portion first. Same thing as a water bottle, go through the first set. Come back through the set here. Go through the next set. And then we're going to tuck it in and go back up again. And that's one side done. Let's do the other side. Back through the pouch itself. Back through the hip belt molly cuts. Pull it nice and tight. Tuck it back in. Push it back up towards the top this way to lock them in place. You'll feel the tabs in there. And that one is on there, guys. How simple was that? Let's flip her over. Let's get the other one on. Pull the tabs out. He's got them tucked in there for you. Pulled out. Hopefully sounds still good for you. Same thing, we're going to start here, going through that first loop. Like I said, watch their videos, very informative. One set in. We'll do this one, we'll do them both at the same time. Second set. Pull them all the way down nice and tight. There you go. Back into the two on the back of the pouch. Pull it tight. Pull them both tight down. Back through the next two loops on the belt. And we're good there. Pull them nice and tight again. Now we're going to tuck them back into that last loop and go inside to the pocket. And there are, where the webbing comes to this little tab, there's like a little indent. And if you push it all the way in, that kind of locks it in place also into the molly cuts. So we're really pushing it up in that hole. And there we go. Both of them are on. And that's it. I will probably put the gunsling on this side. When I do that, you'll watch his videos. You'll have to put your water bottle onto the other side. But that's no problem. You saw how easy it was to do that. So we are good to go now. So now I've got the two pouches. Yeah, see that? I'm going to have two pouches on here. We loosen this up. Not going to tighten it down yet. But pouch here. Pouch here, I have the medium belt. Your sternum strap. And then what's nice is that holder is right here for your water bottle. And you should be able to get to that. That is awesome. I cannot stand trying to get into the pockets on the K3 one. It's too hard to get up there. You can't get in there. So you'd have to buy some sort of water one that's going to sit here. This one is right in line, sitting at an angle, which is really easy, and I like this Yeti one. Gives you some nice grip. And when you watch his video, Steve says, you know, it's a nice tight fit. So it is kind of like a vacuum when you're putting it in there. You get a little bit of resistance going in, and when you pull it out, you can feel that little vacuum. So it's very, I doubt it's ever gonna come out on you. So that's it, guys. You saw how simple and quick that was. We're gonna hook on that crib later on. I'll go into that, and we'll hook on we'll change out some of the locking straps. But there we go. We are ready to go back out into the woods tomorrow. And we're gonna go do some more scouting, probably take Sadie with me, do some shed hunting, and we will go change a couple batteries. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Make sure you get outdoors every day, guys. It's such a beautiful day today. 69, I think it is, here in Wisconsin, and it's what, the 12th of March. See you guys later. Bye-bye.